you guys took for a three-way. I don't blame you. She's not.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
What? My intel is not good.
No, it's no good.
See, I think it is. Because she confirmed that not only.
He's free. Oh.
有点油辣，有点湿湿的。他刚刚邻居有很多。Gigi, how do you feel about what's happening with the world right now? Okay, love it.
How do you feel about this project we got going on? Huh? Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.